asking for directions. It was a sunny afternoon. John, a young student, had just arrived in a new city. He was visiting for the weekend, and everything looked interesting and exciting. But there was one small problem: he didn't know the way to his hotel. John stood on the corner of a busy street, holding a paper map in his hand. Cars were passing, people were walking quickly, and he felt a little lost. John, thinking, okay, my hotel is called City Garden Hotel. The map says it's near the Central Park. But where is the park? I can't find it. He looked around and saw a bakery. A woman was standing in front of it, arranging bread in the window. John decided to ask her. First attempt. John, excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the City Garden Hotel. Woman, City Garden Hotel? I'm not sure. Maybe near the park? John, yes, near the park. Do you know where the park is? Woman, the park? Yes, go straight down this street, then turn left at the traffic lights. Walk for about 10 minutes. You will see the park on your right. John, thank you very much. Woman, you're welcome. Have a nice day. John followed her instructions. He walked straight, then turned left. The street was full of shops and cafes. He walked for 10 minutes, but he still didn't see the park. He stopped again. Second attempt. This time he saw an old man sitting on a bench, reading a newspaper. John approached him politely. John, excuse me, sir. Can you tell me where the Central Park is? Old man, the Central Park? Yes, but you are walking the wrong way. John, oh no. Really? Old man, yes. You should go back to the main street, then turn right. Walk past the post office and the library. The park is just behind the library. John, thank you. That's very helpful. Old man, no problem. Enjoy your visit. John turned around and walked back. He saw the post office, then the library. Finally, he found the park. It was big, with tall trees, flowers, and people walking dogs. He smiled. John, thinking good. I found the park. Now I need to find the hotel. Still lost. John walked around the park, but he couldn't see the hotel. He checked the map again. The map said, City Garden Hotel, next to the fountain. John, thinking the fountain? Where's the fountain? He saw two teenagers sitting on a bench, eating ice cream. He decided to ask them. John, hello. Sorry, can you help me? I'm looking for the City Garden Hotel. Teenager 1, the City Garden Hotel? Yes, I know it. It's very close. John, great. How do I get there? Teenager 2, walk straight into the park, go past the children's playground, and then you will see a big fountain. The hotel is just next to it. John, thank you so much. Teenager 1, no problem. Enjoy your stay. John walked through the park. He passed the playground where children were laughing and running. He walked a little more, and soon he saw the fountain. Water was shining in the sun. And just next to it, yes, there was the hotel. At the hotel, John entered the lobby. The receptionist smiled at him. Receptionist, good afternoon. Welcome to City Garden Hotel. Do you have a reservation? John, yes, I do. And I'm very happy I finally found the hotel. I was a little lost. Receptionist, the city can be confusing. But asking for directions is always a good idea. John, yes, I asked 3 times. Receptionist, smiling, well, you made it. Please give me your name. John gave his name and checked into his room. He was tired but proud of himself. Later that evening. In the evening, John wanted to go to a restaurant for dinner. He left the hotel and walked into the park again. After a few minutes, he realized he didn't know which way to go. John, thinking, oh no, I'm lost again. I need to ask someone. He saw a young couple taking photos near the fountain. John, hello, excuse me. Can you recommend a good restaurant near here? Woman, yes, there's an Italian restaurant 2 streets away. John, how can I get there? Man, go out of the park, turn left, then walk straight for 5 minutes. The restaurant is called Bella Roma. John, thank you very much. Woman, you're welcome. John followed the directions and found the restaurant. He had a wonderful dinner, pasta, bread, and lemonade. Reflection. When John returned to his hotel, he thought about the day. Today I learned that asking for directions is very important. Sometimes people give different answers, but if you ask politely, everyone wants to help. And by asking, I also practiced speaking English. He smiled, turned off the light, and went to sleep.